That was awful as well. It's upside down. One more take. As you know, I've already given you a solution. Reuben,
Dominic.
you have a problem
I do.
and I have a solution.
You do.
Here it is. Please explain your problem to me.
The problem we have within the workshop is a problem with ethanol, particularly in cars that are used seasonally. Fuel that includes ethanol, especially the high ethanol fuels, the E10s, which means it's got 10% ethanol in it. When it sits for a period of time, if a fuel tank isn't full, you get condensation in that fuel tank. The ethanol within that fuel is hygroscopic. The two combine, the water goes to the bottom of the tank, the fuel goes further up, and it stratifies.
Oh, stratify. That's a nice word.
So you have water sitting at the bottom of the tank. Within that water, you get bacterial growth. That bacteria can produce acidic compounds, water, acid, metal fuel tank, rubber components, aluminium. Sitting over a period of time, we have issues.
Saturated in acid. That doesn't sound good. It doesn't sound good at all.
It isn't good for many older components. So we are looking at fuel hoses, sender units. We're looking at pipes. We're looking at filter housings, carburettor floats, seals in injectors. Lots and lots of things which can add up to cost rather a lot of money. This Bactofin product covers a number of issues that we have with cars in storage. The biggest issue we have is ethanol in fuel, which in itself is not a problem. Ethanol burns like anything else, so we're not trying to demonise ethanol.
Yes.
What we're trying to do is find a way of mitigating the problems that we have with ethanol fuels sitting in old cars with older materials and provide an easy one-shot solution to doing that. Bactofin provides us with that solution.
Yes. So as a business, you'd like to promote the longevity of your customers' cars, which is an admirable outcome. You would rather they had less problems than more problems, and you have a solution to quite a modern problem for plastic car owners.
The key to this one, from our point of view, long-term storage, is to keep that water in solution, in suspension, which means ultimately when you come to restart your car, not only are the components better protected than they were before, but the chances are your car will start.